Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a typical afternoon working at Slime Glitterz. First up, we packed up all the extra bags for the orders. These contain the activated, the care card, and the candy. Then we printed out all the orders from last night. Thank you guys so much. You guys were insane. We had so many of them, as you can see. We got straight to packing some orders, packaging them all up. Then we actually had a note from Annie. They got cotton candy cone and bear bubblegum milk. We popped that into your mailer and added your thank you card and extra bag. I then replied to some customer emails, printed out some more orders, shipped some more orders, made some slime. This is bear bubblegum milk. You guys are absolutely loving this slime at the moment. And more will be restocked this Saturday at 6 PM UK time.